Hey, this is Greenyphatom2009, and today I'm gonna watch Ice Cream Build channel. Let's present watching.
Good evening. Thank you for tuning into this Ice Cold Beer channel.
Yes,
today we will be talking about the best type of beer on the planet and why.
No! Not the emergency alert system! No!
The following is an emergency action notification issued by the President of the United States. At 6:10 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a devastating terrorist attack was reported against this country. The attack was reportedly taking place in Salt Lake City, Utah, where a nuclear bomb was detonated in the downtown core. Additionally, another attack was also said to have taken place in Portland, Oregon, where a lethal chemical bomb exploded in a populated shopping mall. Reports are also stating that the attackers are Russian ultranationalists. All civilians in the United States are ordered by the President to move into bomb shelters and put on gas masks immediately, and do not leave until the military gives the all-clear. Stay tuned to all media outlets for further details. This concludes this emergency action notification message.
Oh, thanks to a lot of emergency alert system. Beat you up. Thanks for watching this video. This is Greenyphatom2009, signing off.